What if the next miracle drug you hear about comes with a hidden danger that could jeopardize your health? Right now, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing medicine, but beneath this exciting promise lie alarming risks that few are discussing. It's not just about breakthroughs, it's about the unseen threats tied to AI-driven research. Picture a lab buzzing with excitement as researchers harness AI to create chemical compounds at breakneck speed. Sounds amazing, right? But in this race for innovation, crucial safety protocols are often overlooked. As AI takes the lead, it risks missing vital warning signs that could indicate a compound's potential dangers. The urgency for results is overshadowing safety. Now, imagine yourself in a hospital waiting for a groundbreaking treatment. You hear about a new drug that promises to cure what once seemed hopeless. You trust the system, but what if that drug was developed without fully understanding its risks? Behind closed doors, scientists are aware that shortcuts in AI-driven synthesis could lead to dire consequences, yet the pressure to deliver often silences these concerns. Think back to the last medication recall you saw in the news. Lives were affected. Families shattered. These are not mere statistics. They remind us of the fragility of what we often assume is safe. So, where is the safety net in this fast-paced environment? Many researchers are calling for stricter regulations, but time is running out. The pharmaceutical industry is moving at lightning speed, and every moment lost could mean lives at stake. As we reflect on this, consider the dangers of complacency. The next time you hear about a revolutionary drug, ask yourself, what are they not telling us? In a world racing toward the future, we must remain vigilant about the unseen dangers. Because in pharmaceuticals, a little caution can prevent catastrophic consequences. If this concerns you, share your thoughts. We need to keep this conversation alive. Imagine a world where the medicines you rely on might be hiding unseen dangers, crafted by algorithms rather than scientists. It's unsettling, right? This is the reality we're facing with AI-driven pharmaceutical synthesis. Many view AI as merely a tool for efficiency, but a significant issue lurks beneath the surface: the overlooked risks of using AI to create new chemical compounds. Are we unknowingly sacrificing safety for speed? Consider this scenario: a cutting-edge AI system develops a new drug, hailed as a breakthrough. It targets diseases with remarkable precision, but risks introducing compounds we don't fully understand. What happens when those compounds react unpredictably in our bodies? Take a patient in need of relief from chronic pain who receives an AI-narrated medication, unaware that the synthesis process skipped vital safety protocols. While the drug might offer temporary relief, it could also lead to unexpected side effects, turning trust into concern. Let's delve deeper. While I can analyze vast datasets and simulate numerous reactions, it lacks the intuition of an experienced chemist. Algorithms may overlook subtle interactions that a human expert would catch, which could mean the difference between a life-saving breakthrough and a potential disaster in a pill bottle. Imagine being a researcher excited about a new compound, only to later discover it interacts dangerously with common medications. Lives could be at risk, and the consequences extend far beyond individual patients. Here's where it gets even more troubling: pharmaceutical companies are racing to bring products to market. The pressure to deliver effective solutions quickly can lead to shortcuts. What if the next miracle drug is just an illusion, created by an AI that doesn't fully grasp the complexities of human biology? As we embrace this technology, we must ask ourselves, are we prepared for the consequences of rushing innovation? The potential for harm is real, especially when the only thing standing between us and dangerous compounds is a computer algorithm. So, what's the takeaway? As we enter this new era of AI-narrated pharmaceuticals, it's crucial to stay vigilant. We must advocate for thorough testing and regulatory measures that keep pace with rapid development. Stay informed and engaged. The next time you hear about a groundbreaking drug, remember how vital safety and oversight are. In the world of AI, not everything that glitters is truly safe. What if I told you that the very technology set to revolutionize healthcare might also carry hidden risks? Imagine a world where AI is at the forefront of developing new drugs. Exciting, right? But what if some ignorated chemical compounds could be more dangerous than we realize? While artificial intelligence accelerates drug synthesis, it's also bypassing crucial safety checks. Many don't consider that an algorithm could misjudge a new drug's stability, but this is happening more frequently than you might think. Picture a scientist burning the midnight oil, eagerly awaiting results from ignorated compounds. The anticipation builds as they see a potential cure on their screen. But what's lurking beneath that data? There's a complex web of chemical interactions that even the most sophisticated algorithms struggle to grasp. Just last year, a promising AI-created compound was rushed into clinical trials, and within weeks patients began experiencing unexpected side effects. What went wrong? The AI overlooked a simple yet vital chemical interaction. This is just an isolated incident. It highlights a potential ticking time bomb in the pharmaceutical industry. Consider how many lives are at stake with each new drug release. The excitement of a breakthrough can often overshadow the associated risks. When you realize that AI's calculations can be as flawed as human ones, the stakes become alarmingly high. We've seen this play out in reality. A new pain relief medication caused severe liver damage simply because the AI didn't account for individual biological differences. How many more compounds are poised to hit the market and potentially lead to similar issues? This is just a technical problem. It strikes at the core of our healthcare system. So what can we do? The industry is beginning to